The dude's also, let's just call it what it is. The dude's also rich. And so I want to actually talk about this question, this unanswerable deep dive question with him today, which is, what is more important? What is a more important step to the path of happiness? Creativity or money?
This is the deep dive with Adam Roa.
What do you think has played actually a bigger role in your happiness? The money or the creativity?
Oh, definitely the money. Definitely
Really?
the money. Yeah, definitely the money. I mean, like, I'm going to keep it real only because for the first time since I was a kid, am I really finally, because of the work I've done with you, because of the inspiration of finally, the healing, have I finally actually reconnected to my creativity and my surrendered artist?
I almost heard you start with the answer of money and then arrive at an answer of creativity in the very discussion of it, because I'm going to say creativity. I'm going to say creativity, and I recognize a couple pieces to the truth of what you said. Like, it's not as simple as saying, yeah, you don't need money. You don't need money. Bro, I love having money. You love having money. There's some amazing things. We get to take trips. We get to stay in nice places, eat good food. There's some amazing stuff that happens with money. And there is a pattern that I see because I work with these people one-on-one as clients. I work with them and support them around recognizing that the most successful people in terms of money, what they're all wanting now is going, yeah, but I feel as if I'm not expressing. I feel like I'm the part of me that's the creative isn't getting to do my thing. I feel as if I'm now just kind of following what gets to happen to continue to grow the business. But
in my path to happiness, I still stand with money.
Mm-hmm.
That's just my truth. If I were to go back, it's like, man, I wish I started. I wish I never gave up on my creative and like my passion for creativity along the way. I didn't see that as a path to creating financial freedom. And for me, that was a really important thing growing up.
And so this speaks to an ethos that I believe, which is I believe creativity is the most powerful path in terms of its sustainability because of its pleasure in it and the payoff and the growth in it. I think creativity is the path for our soul's evolution. I believe that it is the path to our happiness, because in the path of creativity, we heal, we expand and grow, and we have a feedback loop that it's like, I did this. I don't know that you can buy that feeling of liberation. And you could argue, like I can hear it in my own mind. It's like, well, having financial freedom is in its own way liberation.
The difference for me is not correlated to like happiness, because I think that like both money and creativity can create happiness. It's that creativity I see as a modality to create healing.